Okay, so here is my bathroom and it's pretty messy, so I decided to go ahead and do like a clean with me. I think that's what these videos are called. There's me, no makeup on. I just got done working out.
Hello.
And hello. Hi. And he's eating a popsicle. That's why he's super messy, but after this, it's bath time. So anyways, yeah, as you can see, this is my side. And this is my husband's side, but let's just say this is my side and then this is the kid's side because they love using this bathroom more than theirs, which I don't know why. Jalissa can be literally on the other side of the room of the house and she comes all the way over here because she wants to use this bathroom. So as you can see, there's like a lot of glares because Max gets on there to brush his teeth and he just like wipes his hands all over it. So yeah, I have the laptop on because when I record, I can't listen to music on here. So pretty much, yeah, here's a big O mess. And then I need to clean that and then the toilet's over there. So yeah, I need to clean all that. And yeah, I decided to go ahead and do a video of this since I'm always watching these videos. So why not do my own? So yeah, just keep on watching. Already super clean. Yeah, I couldn't get quite up there, so that's why it looks like glary, but I can't reach up there. So I need to like get my little ladder thing or get on there, but it was wet. So yeah, this is the tub. I just need to let that dry because that's the stuff that I used. So yeah, the shower is still like pretty wet, so yeah. And the toilet over here, it's clean already. So Max is still there. So yeah, I guess I should come and talk over here. Yeah, so this is like my first cleaning video. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is my first cleaning video, and take that out of your mouth. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And then if I like this cleaning stuff, then I'll do like the kids' room and the living room and all that. So I know a lot of you girls wanted to see like a house tour, but I'm not quite done decorating or nothing, so I just want to wait till I'm completely done to decorate. Yeah, as you can see, I like everything super simple. I don't like a whole bunch of stuff hanging in the walls. I guess my style would be like I don't know, maybe like rustic, or not rustic, like glam, maybe rustic glam, maybe, if that's a thing. Because I like a lot of like old stuff. Yeah, I have a lot of like silver and a lot of like shiny stuff around the house. So I don't know what really my style would be. But I mean, I guess if I do like more of these, I can show you like a little bit of what I have. Take that out of your mouth. A little bit more of like my what do you call it, like theme? Is that a thing? Theme? I don't know. So yeah, like I said, I like everything super clean. I don't have much decorations other than this here. And that's how I like it. I like it super clean, super like nothing really much on the walls. And that's how I like it. Silver, everything silver. I love silver. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, if you enjoyed it. And I will see you girls next time. Bye.